Hello and welcome to 3D Printer Build Long Part 74. In this episode we're putting together the spindle to hold the filament, which we have in these 3 pieces and 6 screws. So without further ado, let's just get on with it. No! So start off, just get the centre spindle and you get on the outside edges. These bases want to slot it in like that. So you see that it comes through the end, and then twist it, and it will lock in if you get the right round.
You've got it inside out.
I love going inside out. I was showing people how it works first, like that, and then that locks on, nice and tight. Get your screws. You want to just put them in the holes. Do them up fingers. I've done it, Dad. I don't know where that one actually went. I think it went under the bloody bed. Probably did. Yeah.
We'll find that one after.
Yes. It's alright, as we've taken apart in the next episode, aren't we? And then we're just going to do that up.
Yes, part 75. Take it apart.
Yeah. And then put it back together.
Yeah.
And that's 2. You should have 6 screws, we now have 5.
Till we did get one back out.
Till we did get one back out, yeah.
That's the trouble with not having the lab set up.
Yes. So that is the first side on. If you try and twist it, it won't move at all. And you want to get your other side, exact same way. Put it down. It's actually a little more difficult than it looks this side, because the other side's in situ. And then just hold it, twist it,
Snap it.
snap it, buy a new one.
This is only really if you're going to have an offcut of filament.
Yeah.
Which you can buy 1, 5, 10 metres and so on, can't you?
Yes. Putting in the last screw for this side. Just ignore that hole. And that, once we find the other screw, is that done? So
Right now, can Dean regrow?
that made noise. So that's what it looks like in the end. Really nice little spin. And we'll see you in the next episode.